Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the darkFlash ATX mid-tower PC case, DS900, we want to remind you that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The darkFlash DS900 is a striking mid-tower case that combines aesthetics, cooling performance, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of this case is its 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass panels, which provide an unobstructed and expansive view of your internal components and vibrant RGB lighting. The tempered glass is not only visually appealing but also durable, ensuring your build looks stunning while remaining protected. However, it's important to note that the RGB hub controller is not included, so you will need to manage lighting control separately. Connectivity is well thought out with an upgraded high-speed I/O panel featuring USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C interface. This allows for fast data transfers and supports modern peripherals, enhancing your overall experience. Cooling is another strong suit here. The case comes pre-installed with 4 PWM ARGB fans and supports up to 10 fans in total, along with a 360mm radiator for water cooling. This ensures excellent airflow and efficient heat dissipation, keeping your system cool during intense gaming or heavy workloads. The darkFlash DS900 also shines in its attention to detail with magnetic dust filters on the top and panel dust filters to minimize dust buildup, helping maintain clean internals. The anti-slip bottom structure adds stability to the case, preventing unwanted movement on different surfaces. Installation is straightforward thanks to its thoughtful design, with hassle-free cable management and easy component access, making upgrades and maintenance less daunting. Pros: stunning 270 degrees tempered glass panels for a panoramic view. Pre-installed 4 PWM ARGB fans with support for up to 10 fans and 360mm water cooling radiator. High-speed I/O panel with USB 3.0 and Type-C port. Magnetic dust filters, and anti-slip bottom for cleanliness and stability. User-friendly installation and cable management. Cons: RGB hub controller is not included, requiring separate purchase or management, while spacious, very large, or unconventional components might require double-checking compatibility. Overall, the darkFlash ATX mid-tower PC case DS900 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to build a visually impressive and well-cooled gaming PC. Its combination of style, functionality, and cooling capacity makes it a worthy contender in its price range. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is fixed in the first comment below, so make sure to grab this deal while it lasts.